Hello, my name is Debbie Burns. I'm with Read Aloud, and I have chosen a little golden book called Birds, written by Jane Werner Watson in 1958. It was actually read to me when I was a little girl, and I hope you like it. It's Birds. Birds can fly. They fly high. Some fly miles across the sky. In the spring, birds build nests. They build nests for their eggs. Some bring twigs and leaves and string. Day and night, mother and father bird watch their eggs, keeping them safe and warm. Soon, chip, 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 the eggs crack and out comes the baby birds. Oh, they're so cute. They have no feathers and they can't fly, but they are hungry. They eat worms and beetles and bugs. Oh my. Yummy, huh? They eat a lot, and soon they grow feathers, and they must mind their mother. Some birds learn to swim, like ducks, right? That's a kind of a bird. But most of them learn to fly. Summer is ending. The grass is fading and the fruits are disappearing. Cold winds shake the tree and winter is coming. She's got a jacket on because she looks chilly, right? Something tells the birds that they must fly south. And off they fly with a honk and a cry. There goes all the birds. Some birds stay in the snow and the cold. But spring brings back many birds to sing. They will nest, they will look for food, and those birds, they know what's best. And that's the end of my book. I hope you enjoyed it. And next time you go outside or go for a walk, you have to listen for the birds and see if you hear them singing. And maybe you'll be able to see one flying in the sky. Take care and have a good day, everybody. Bye.